Hey everyone, how are you all? Today's video is going to be very different because today's video will tell you a story about the painting. You can enjoy both the painting as well as the story. So without wasting time, let's start the video. The story of a magical chair. Once there was an old man. He was very poor. He had nothing to eat. He used to cut wood from jungle and sell them into the market for food. He was alone in his house and had no wife cause he was so poor to take care of a wife. That's why he never married. One day, when he was coming back from the jungle after collecting the wood for sale, he saw that some bad people kidnapped one holy person and tied him up with a tree, and they were asking something from him. He was peeping behind the tree and thought that he must do something for that holy person. All of a sudden, he got one idea in his mind and started shouting that, "Run, run, one tiger is coming towards this side." After hearing this, all bad people ran away. And that old person went to the holy person and made him free. Then the old person asked, "Who are you, holy man?" He said, "I am a monk." "And who are you that you helped me?" The old man said, "I am a very poor person. I stay in the village nearby." The old man asked why those bad people was after you. The monk said, "I have a magical chair. That chair has so much magical power that whatever you ask to it, it will give, but only to the person with good soul." The monk said that I felt that you deserve this magical chair and you can ask anything from it, but keep it in mind, never ever do greedy wish and never be selfish. Then the chair will vanish itself and will come back to me. The monk went, and that old man lived a very happy and comfortable life afterwards with the chair. I hope you have enjoyed the story and the painting as well. If you want I should bring such interesting video, then please subscribe my channel and like and share. Being an artist, when I see you guys are subscribing my channel, then the artist like me used to get motivated. We get more enthuse and inspiration to work with more energy. So if you want to be a part of my inspiration, then do support. Thank you so much for watching. So friends, see you soon with a new video. Till then, take care, keep painting. Bye.